Happy birthday to you. Everyone's chanting it. Happy birthday to dear Surya. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, so tell us about that first. How does it feel on a birthday with this important win against Pakistan?
No, I feel it's a great feeling, and it's a perfect return gift to India.
Well done, brilliant. Was that preparation or that came very instinctively?
No, it actually keeps running in your mind when you think about it, because it's a human tendency when you're coming here playing a game like this. You definitely want to win it, and when you win it, you always have something ready.
Well said. And the winning shot, tell us about that, because must have felt great to finish with that, big six well into the stands.
Yeah, I mean, but this is one thing, one box which I always wanted to take, stay there, bat till the end, and it was the need of the hour today, and love to stay not out till the end.
About India-Pakistan now, it seems like India is finding it easier and easier every time, beating Pakistan. Do you have any thoughts on that?
See, for me and for my boys and for the whole team, I feel it's just, we think that it's just another game. We come on the ground, we prepare the same for all the oppositions, and that's how we go about it.
And I love the attack by spin. I mean, the seamers got you two crucial wickets at the start, but I'm loving this new approach of four spinners used to get wickets, and the results are the same.
I mean, that's what happened a few months back. Our Champions Trophy team who won the Champions Trophy, I think they set the tone, but I am always a fan of spinners because they control the game in the middle, and post power play, I think all the spinners, they were amazing.
Surya, well done, well batted. Happy birthday once again, and continue the good work. Well done.
Thank you so much. And I just wanted to say something. I think it's a perfect occasion, and taking the time out, we stand by with the victims of the families of Pahalgam terror attack, and we express our solidarity. And also, most important thing for me, we want to dedicate today's win to all our armed forces who showed a lot of bravery. And they hope they continue to inspire us all, and we give them more reasons on the ground whenever we get an opportunity to make them smile. Thank you.
Well done, Surya. So there was Surya Kumar Yadav there.